Hey friends, if you wish to change the regional settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, wait till it loads, and then you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select language and region, and then you can change the regional settings from here. For example, you can set it to some other country. I'll set it to India because I live in India. Okay. So I will change it, and then I can also change the regional format. So I use the Indian English format. So I will select English India, and then I can also change the device setup region, but not if the country is not in line, because in a lot of devices it is set to United States. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.